Hello students, today's topic is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, they can be singular as well as plural. Book, hotel, boat, day, job, mile, peace, problem, dream. And uncountable nouns are neither singular nor plural. For example, water, sugar, salt, money, music, electricity, happiness, excitement. We use countable nouns for separate individual things such as books and hotels. Things we can count, as it is very clear with the word countable means which can be counted. We use uncountable noun for things that do not naturally divide into separate units, such as water, sugar, electricity, things we cannot count. Many countable nouns, they are concrete: table, car, shoe. But some are abstract: situation, idea. Many uncountable nouns are abstract: beauty, love, psychology. But some are concrete: butter, plastic. Many nouns, they can be either countable or uncountable. An uncountable noun takes a singular verb and we use this, that. For example, this milk is off, I'll pour it down from the sink. Now, I am telling you, I'm giving you some list of words that go with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Some words, they go with countable and uncountable nouns: the boat, the water. But some words go with only one kind of noun: a boat, not a water. How much water, but how many books? Now, you can very well understand that, let us take for example the. Now, the is used both with countable as well as uncountable. The boat, the boats, and the water. Then a or an. A boat, but it is not used with any plural or any uncountable noun. Some is used with countable. Some boats. Uncountable, it is some countable singular, and some boat and some boats with plural also we can use. But some is also used with uncountable, that is some water. Now, the question sometimes comes in our mind that how can we differentiate? And I give you example. For example, the off pattern expressing quantity. Look at these phrases: a glass of water, 2 pounds of flour, a piece of wood. Now, this pattern is countable noun plus off plus uncountable noun. Some more examples of this pattern: a cup of coffee, a glass of milk, a bottle of wine, a box of rubbish, a packet of sugar, a tin of pears, a jar of jam, a tube of toothpaste, a sack of flour. Now, this is when we talk about containers. Then measurements: 3 meters of curtain material, a kilo of flour, 20 liters of petrol, a pint of lager, 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Then comes piece: a piece of cheese, a piece of chocolate, piece of plastic, piece of cotton. a slice of bread, a slice of cake, a slice of meat, a sheet of paper, a bar of soap, a bar of chocolate, a stick of chalk, a loaf of bread, a drop of water, a drop of ink, a lump of coal or sugar. So we see that in informal English, we can use bits of, which means small pieces of, some bits of cheese. A bit of can also mean a small amount. We can say a chocolate bar, a bar of chocolate, and a sugar lump, but these are exceptions for wine glass. We say a glass of wine. We can also use container, oblique, measurement, plus of, plus plural noun. For example, a box of matches, a pound of tomatoes. This can be more convenient than saying 6 tomatoes. Some expressions go only with plural nouns, not uncountable nouns. A crowd of people, a series of programs, a bunch of flowers. We can use piece of, bit of with some uncountable nouns. We can also use these expressions. A period of calm, a degree of doubt, a sum of money. Kind, sort, type, and make. They go with either countable or uncountable noun. What kind of sugar? This make of computer. It is not always obvious from the meaning whether a noun is countable or uncountable. For example, information, news, and furniture. They are uncountable. I have got some information for you, not an information. There was no news of the missing hiker, not there were no news. They had very little furniture, not very few furniture. That is, these words, they look like countables, but actually they are not countable nouns. We can also use pieces of, bits of, items of with such nouns. Here are some uncountable nouns which may be countable in other languages. Accommodation, advice, applause, baggage, behavior, bread, camping, cash, clothing, countryside, crockery, cutlery, damage, education, English, equipment, evidence, fruit, fun, furniture, gossip, harm, health, help, homework, housework, housing, jewelry, knowledge, land, laughter, leisure, lightning, litter, luck, luggage, machinery, money, news, pay, permission, pollution, progress, proof, rain, research, rice, rubbish, scenery, shopping, sightseeing, stuff, thunder, toast, traffic, transport, travel, violence, weather, work. These all are uncountable nouns. The following nouns are countable. Their meanings are related to the uncountable nouns. For example, suitcase is countable, but luggage is uncountable. Bags, camp, cloth, clue, coin, fact, hobby, house, jewel, job, journey, thought, loaf, much, permit, rumor, shop, shower, sight, storm, suggestion, suitcase, thing, vegetable, and vehicle. So we see that there are certain nouns which are countable and uncountable. I have tried to give you the list of few, and in my next lecture I'll be telling you with more countable and uncountable nouns.